Hello everyone. I hope you are all doing good and fine. So today we have a job notification for a junior finance analyst at Syndigo. Here at Syndigo, we are enabling our client to deliver better e-commerce experience. We have mastered the right data right now, from creation to sale. That's why the value our partner get from us a holistic, truly differentiated end-to-end solution that closes the loop while increasing sales. So for more details regarding company, you can go through the website once. So they are seeking a qualified finance analyst to join their team. As a finance analyst, you will play a crucial role in supporting financial decision making, analyzing data, and providing insight to drive the business growth. Now coming to the key responsibility. So first is data interpretation. Collect, analyze and interpret financial data to identify trends, opportunities and potential risks. Prepare reports and presentation to communicate finding to the stakeholders. That means here you will be given a lot of data, so you have to collect the data, gathering the sources, analyze the data by the help of Excel, SQL. Now financial analysis. Conduct in-depth financial analysis including variance analysis, trend analysis, and profitability analysis to provide the insight into the business performance. Financial modeling. Develop financial modeling to support strategic decision making such as investment analysis, pricing strategies, and scenario planning. So you have to create different financial models that can help the stakeholders for their decision makings and investments. Cross-functional collaborations. Work closely with various departments including operations, sales, marketing to gather data and insight that contribute to financial analysis and planning. So here you have to work with different stakeholders and with a different team including some operation work, sales department, marketing department. Now coming to the qualification. So if one have done bachelor's degree in finance, accounting, economics or related field, strong analytical and quantitative skills including proficiency in financial modeling and data analysis tools. Advanced proficiency in the MS Excel and financial software applications. One must have effective communication skills to convey the complex financial information to non-financial stakeholders. Attention to details and commitment to accuracy in financial reporting. Ability to work independently and collaboratively in the team-oriented environment. One must have strong problem-solving skills and critical thinking abilities. So just below the notification, you can find the details to apply for. And I would prefer if you also include your LinkedIn profile details over there, so you can get more preference from others. So that is all in today's video. I hope you liked it, and if you find it meaningful, click on the like button, subscribe the channel